Hey guys, welcome back to another quick assist video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect any Airbuds. These are Disney Airbuds, the Winnie the Pooh ones. And we're going to just show you how you can still connect them to your iPhone. All we're going to have to do is go ahead and push settings. Then from settings, we're going to want to go down. Oh, this is on privacy. Okay, so from settings, then we're going to want to simply go to Bluetooth right here. Okay, make sure that the Bluetooth is on. Then go ahead and take out your AirPods. As you can see, they're on. And then once you turn on the Bluetooth, it's gonna start looking for other devices, and that's when it'll pop up. So as you can see, it says Disney right here. And then once we're gonna go ahead and click that. You wanna make sure that if you have AirPods or speakers that's connected to, that's not connected. So if it doesn't connect, sometimes it's because it's not connected. Then you would wanna go there and then to this, and then make sure that you forget the device or disconnect. But now it's connected to the Disney AirPods, or sorry, earbuds. Yay. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. And then if you want to disconnect, go ahead, push that I, and then you see the disconnect right there, or push forget this device. Okay, I hope this video helps. Please like, comment, subscribe. Winnie the Pooh.